Imagine this. A woman, let's call her Sarah, who had struggled with her weight her entire life. Despite her love for fitness and regular exercise, the scale never seemed to budge. She tried countless diets, from Weight Watchers to Noom, but nothing brought lasting results. As she entered perimenopause, the weight gain became even more challenging, and she started experiencing symptoms like hot flashes and brain fog, which left her worried and frustrated. But here's where it gets controversial. Sarah decided to take a different approach. She discovered the Wonder Women program, a community and coaching initiative that focuses on mindset, strength training, and macros-based nutrition. It was a complete 180-degree turn from her previous attempts, and she was determined to give it her all. The program's application process was rigorous, and Sarah had to explain her journey, challenges, and eating habits in detail. She even had to submit videos of her performing exercises she had never done before. Despite not being accepted initially, she received a surprise invitation to work with another Wonder Woman coach, and her transformation journey began. Sarah's first step was to read 2 mindset books, The Big Leap and Atomic Habits, which helped her break free from bad habits and set clear goals. She then started virtual training 5 days a week. With a functional training system at home, her coach guided her through progressive workouts, focusing on proper form and consistent overload. She also incorporated cardio and aimed for at least 8,000 steps daily. But the real game changer was her approach to nutrition. Sarah learned to count macros, a method that allowed her to eat what she wanted while prioritizing protein. She discovered a new love for protein-rich meals and even made her own protein ice cream. By understanding that food is fuel, she began to feel stronger and more energized, both physically and mentally. Her brain fog started to lift, and she felt sharper and more clear-headed. Over 9 months, Sarah lost an incredible 56 pounds. But more importantly, she maintained her weight loss for the first time in her life and gained a ton of muscle. Today, at 53, she stepped on stage for her first physique competition, a celebration of her transformation and good health. It's a journey she never expected, but one that has brought her incredible rewards and a new sense of confidence. So, what were the key factors to Sarah's success? First, she found a supportive community of like-minded women who motivated her to live a healthy lifestyle. Second, she let go of self-doubt and embraced her confidence, realizing that her self-worth wasn't tied to her appearance. And finally, she understood that progress is about consistency and sustainable habits. By focusing on one day at a time and adopting a healthy mindset, she unlocked the door to her success. What do you think? Do you believe that finding the right community and mindset can lead to long-lasting health transformations? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.